Quick question. How many projects does your team actually run right now? It is rarely just one, maybe two, maybe three, and often a single team manages 4 or 5 projects at the same time. Whether you build software, ship products, deliver services, or run government programs. Whether your customers are internal or external. Whether you are competing for revenue or driving margin inside the business. The pressure is the same. Every project has a date that matters. Every team is juggling. And every juggle costs you something. And the reality of how that work happens today is messy. Status lives in a spreadsheet last edited 4 days ago. Documentation lives in a wiki nobody updates. Decisions get made in a chat thread that gets buried by lunch. Notes from yesterday's meeting are sitting in someone's inbox. To find one decision from last week, you check 4 platforms. Studies show almost 30% of your day is gone, just chasing context. And here is the painful truth about why projects actually slip. It is rarely the big thing. It is almost always the small thing. A dependency that was not flagged. A blocker that was not communicated. A priority that shifted while you were focused on the other project. Your team does not lose to incompetence. It loses to what gets missed in the gap between 5 different platforms. So what if every morning, before you got to your desk, before you opened a single tab, before your first cup of coffee, your priorities were already written for you by someone who had read every ticket, every comment, every dependency on every project you own? That is what we built. Let me show you. This is your morning briefing. Every project you own, read top to bottom by the AI overnight. Today's top priorities with reasons. The bottleneck. The overallocated team member. The decision waiting in your queue. Not generic advice, not a template. Yours by name, grounded in your real data. Ready before you sit down. The health of every project is live, not late. A single score, updated the moment anything changes. The status of every milestone. The risk on every dependency. The exact reason behind every penalty. Not Friday's stale snapshot. Today's truth. And the team is no longer a guessing game. Who is working on what in real time? Who is stretched? Who has bandwidth? Each person's progress, performance, capacity in one screen. No more pinging every contributor every week to ask if they have room. The platform already knows. At the end of the day, you get the honest review. What got done? What slipped? What did not move at all? The platform tells you whether the day moved the project forward, with no spin and no sugar attached. Just the truth about pace. And all of it lives in one place. Every conversation about the work. Every decision. Every document, anchored to the task or the project it belongs to. Not in your inbox. Not in 3 different chat apps. Not in a wiki you forgot you had. One place. One source of truth. And when it is finally time to answer the only question that really matters, can we ship on time, the AI runs the math. With confidence. With evidence. With the exact lever you can pull to lift the number from 78 to 93. That is LiteFlows. Daily briefings. Live status. Honest end-of-day reviews. Cascade detection that warns you before a small thing becomes a deadline problem. Team capacity that updates itself. And one platform for the work and every conversation about the work. Start your 90-day free trial today. No credit card. See your projects clearly every day.